Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase backgrounds in CapCut. First, open your CapCut project and select the video clip you wish to edit. Tap on the clip in the timeline to reveal the editing options at the bottom of your screen. You'll find several powerful tools here designed to help you isolate your subject from its background, making your videos look professional and polished with just a few taps. For a quick solution, navigate to the Cutout menu and select Remove Background. CapCut's artificial intelligence will automatically detect and remove the background from your selected clip. This feature works best with clearly defined subjects and backgrounds. After the automatic removal, you can often see a significant improvement in your video's visual appeal, saving you valuable editing time. If you've filmed with a green or blue screen, the Chroma Key tool is your best friend. Within the Cutout menu, choose Chroma Key. Use the color picker to select the exact shade of your green or blue screen. Then, adjust the intensity and shadow sliders to fine-tune the removal, ensuring a clean, crisp edge around your subject. Experiment with these settings for optimal results. After removing the background, you might want to refine the edges. Use the feather option, often found near the Chroma Key or Remove Background settings, to soften any harsh lines. Once you are satisfied with your background removal, tap the export icon, usually located in the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution and frame rate, then save your professional-looking video to your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.